Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here. So today I just wanted a really chill video. Christmas is coming, hence we've got the Christmas tree up early because I want to celebrate it a little bit early, and I feel like this video won't make sense without a Christmas tree. So I've got a beautiful Christmas tree right here up, but today we are gonna maybe start a series. I'm not too sure. So when I was younger, I didn't have makeup advent calendars, and I've always wanted one. I've never had one, and I have one right here that I thought it'd be fun. I haven't looked inside it if we just went through all the days, all 12 days, and I showed you guys what was inside. So I'm hoping you're going to enjoy a video like this. If you do want to see something like this, then just keep on watching. Now the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Universe is, if you can't admit it, down below. It is absolutely stunning. If you got given this, you'd be like, oh yes. It says, make all your dreams come true, Charlotte Tilbury inside, which I think is super cute. And then you open the doors up like this. My only mishap, and I am not getting paid or sponsored to this video, I just thought it was going to be a little bit of fun and I wanted to see what was inside, is that the doors, you can see all the doors here, they're beautiful, but they have no numbers on them, which is kind of annoying because you've got doors up here, you've got doors down here, and there's no 1 to 12. I would like a 1 to 12 because I wouldn't know, well, I want to be told which door to open. That's kind of what's mysterious about it. But because this is more of an advent calendar slash like gift set, so if it was someone's birthday you could give it to them, and it is limited edition, I think they just kind of wanted it as an all-rounder as opposed to just having it for Christmas, which I do understand. Now from a price point of view, this calendar is hella expensive. I'm not gonna lie, it's £150 at retail price, and it's expensive. But the only thing that I can say about that is if you were gonna buy designer or you were gonna buy high-end, then you need to pay the price for it. And I know Charlotte Tilbury, I've got a few products from Charlotte Tilbury, like I've got the Light Wonder, I have the concealer, and I have the magic powder, and all of these products are amazing. You pay for what you get. Okay, so I've roughly just worked out that if you bought this for £150 and there are 12 boxes or 12 doors, then you're roughly paying around £12.50 for each door. So it depends, I guess, on what is inside and the size of it. If we're getting full-size products, then amazing, because Charlotte Tilbury products are expensive. So let's have a look and see what's inside. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pick a door at random. So we're going to go with this little baby first. Oh, it's pretty long. I wasn't expecting the door to be this long. Okay, first thoughts is actually quite funny, is I like that the gold glitter, or the rose gold glitter, runs all the way throughout the door and all the way towards the back, which I think is super, super cute. Let's see. So your product will come just kind of gift wrapped inside. So I'm just going to see what this baby is. Okay, so the first product that we have, this is the Full Fat Lashes, the 5-star mascara in the shade Glossy Black. I love the fact that it's in Glossy Black because the majority of people are going to be wearing black. Let's have a look. I've actually never tried this mascara before, so it is just a sample size. I mean, I'm not blown away because it is a smaller sample size and it's nice to, I suppose, just try. Okay, let's go in for another drawer. I'm gonna go in for this one right here. Again, very big drawer. It's just cute. I feel like this would be just such a nice idea if you gave it to someone for a birthday present and they didn't know what was inside. It's nice because they're all small and compact, and then you can try loads of things. This one seems a little bit heavier, which I really, really like. Okay, so now we're talking. We have here the Eyes to Mesmerise Long Lasting Easy Colour. Let me just open it up because I'm not too sure what it is. Oh, this is the Eyes to Mesmerise. So it's going to be like a cream pot. This looks absolutely stunning. I love that. It's just like a cream shadow. Okay, so I've just had a quick look at the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerise. This one is in the shade Jean. On my phone, on the website, it's got really positive reviews. And this product is actually full size and it's £22. So I like that. I like a full-size product in a makeup advent calendar. It makes you feel like you're getting more for your money. Let's move in to this drawer down here. This one's quite big too. Okay, let's see what is inside this one. They are very well wrapped. Okay, so we've got the Wonderglow. This is the Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash. Okay, so I've never used this product before. It looks like a sample size, but quite a large sample size, and it says under foundation for lit from within luminosity. That is what I love. So I'm assuming that it's just kind of like a radiant lotion or kind of illuminator that goes underneath, which it absolutely is. It's just something quite moisturizing, but a glow from within that goes underneath your foundation. And you do get quite a lot. You get 15 ml of this product. This is just a really good way to try out Charlotte Tilbury makeup as well. Also, the only mishap with that is if you fall in love with something. If I fall in love with that, that means I'm going to have to get that for the rest of my life. That's the only concern of mine, is that I'd be paying a lot of money to fall in love with one of these products. But yeah, I'm excited to try that. Okay, so 3 down. I can't even do the math. Let's go into one of the smaller ones at the back. Even the small ones are quite large, to be fair. Okay, this one we have Bedroom Black. This is the Rock and Kohl Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil. And this actually looks like a really decent size for an eye pencil. Again, amazing for if you were going to go out and you want to chuck an eye kohl in your makeup bag. Wow, and that one is super soft, and I just like that it's so black. I'm excited about that. I do really like that pencil. And so far I feel like we've got a little bit of everything. We've got an eye cream, we've got mascara, you've got something to put underneath your foundation, you've got an eye pencil. So I'm feeling really happy about this so far. And one more thing, if we do the rub test, it doesn't smudge, which is amazing. Okay, let's go for, which door should we go for? We'll go for this one right here. Oh god, I feel like a kid right now that really wanted to just get there. What is this? This is the Goddess Skin Clay Mask. Love that. Visibly lifts, smooths, brightens and tightens pores for baby skin. Now, I've tried Charlotte Tilbury makeup and I've heard about their 8-hour cream. But I've heard that their skincare range is amazing. So I'm hoping that there is a little bit more skincare in here, because I want to try their skincare, seeing as I've just gotten into it a little bit more for my skin recently and wanting to take care of my skin. I've not heard about the clay mask, but I love a clay mask. So this is just a perfect little size to try. Okay, so we've done 5. This is just getting, like, I feel like I'm getting more and more excited. Obviously you wouldn't open them, if it was me I'd probably open them all in one day, which that's why makeup advent calendars just wouldn't work for me. I just couldn't, even with chocolates, I can't. I have to have them all in one day. So I'm gonna go with this one, which is number 6. This one I feel like, feels like another pencil. Oh no, it's not a pencil. It's not an eyeliner pencil. This is the Color Chameleon Amber Haze for brown eyes, which I love because I have brown eyes. So this is gonna be like a Kohl pencil that you can, I guess, line your waterline with, but use as shadow as well. And that is a stunning color. Oh, that is beautiful. It's like a bronzy tone. I think a bronzy tone is just a typical tone to go for, because it's more of a neutral, more of an earthy, and you know the majority of people are going to wear it. Okay, so this pencil, I've just checked on the website, is full size, so that's incredible. The colors are beautiful, so I think that all over the lid is kind of just similar to what I've got on right now and what I like to wear on a daily. Is going to be amazing for me to try, and they've got a few other colors on the website that I really like already as well. So I'm really excited about that pencil. I think we're doing really well so far. Okay, now moving on, let's go to this little baby at the back. Let's try this one. This one looks like it's in a box of some sort. What is it? So this is the Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick, and oh, this is in the shade Screen Siren. Now this is going to be a full-size liquid lip as well, which is insane. I mean, it's an advent calendar. I think I was thinking that everything was going to be in a sample size, but this is turning out to be a really nice advent calendar or a gift. And this shade is, oh, it's different to a liquid lip. The wand's completely different, and it feels like it's more of like a powder form or like a very thick cream, but just really soft, almost like a stain. Oh, I love that. Like, I really like that, and I'm really excited to try a liquid lipstick. I think it's really nice that they've put a liquid lipstick in the bunch. So far we've got a mix of everything, and if it continues like this, I'm going to be really happy, because it's going to be a mix of all different elements of what Charlotte Tilbury has. They're not like all you know, like 4 liquid lipsticks and 2 eyebrow pencils or whatever. I think it's a really nice mix so far. Right, we're getting there. Let's go with all the tops. So let me just see what's inside this baby. Ooh, so we have some skincare, which I'm really excited for. This is the Take It All Off Genius Eye Makeup Remover. And I'm excited to try it. It's an eye makeup remover, which I'm excited to try. I've been trying to take care of my skin, take care of my eyes a little bit more recently, just because I'm aware that I'm aging. I'm getting older every year, and I like my skin. I just need to take care of it, and I really don't. So I'm excited to try that, and it's a decent size. It's not like a really, I feel like samples would be half the size of that. So no, I'm really excited to try that. And I like the fact that we've got some skincare in here now, because Charlotte Tilbury is known for their skincare. Okay, so I only have 4 boxes left. Let's go for this small one here. Oh my gosh, what is it? It's a lipstick, isn't it? It's Pillow Talk. So I have Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. This is the only lipstick that I know from Charlotte Tilbury because it's such a famous one. And guys, can I just say, it's full size, which is crazy. I know Kohl really likes this shade. Oh, it's stunning. It's like a mauvey pink, pinky nude. Let me just swatch it. And it's matte, which I absolutely love. And it is, what's funny is I actually thought about going in and purchasing this lipstick because of the hype around it. But I was just like, am I going to pay that much for a lipstick? So the fact that I get it in this is incredible. And the shade's beautiful. It's a very universal shade that a lot of people can wear, which I like that they've put that in. They haven't put any crazy wacky colours that only a select few may wear. But yeah, and look at the packaging. It looks so luxurious. The packaging is absolutely stunning. Okay, so I definitely feel like this box so far, we've got 3 left, is a gift, advent calendar gift box that just keeps on giving. Like, I've been super happy with what I've got out of this so far. I'm going to go in with this drawer right here now. Okay, so this one is the Supermodel Body. Visibly Slimmer, Shimmer, Shape, Hydrate and Glow. It says, cheat your way to a supermodel body in a tube. Now let me just swatch this to see what it is. I've never actually heard of this. So it seems like a luminous cream, almost, with really, really small shimmer particles in it. I don't know about this product. The only reason I don't know about it is just because of the way that it's been advertised to me. I've not heard of it, but it says, cheat your way to a supermodel body in a tube, which I don't really like. It says visibly slimmer. It could be that if you put it on and you put this on your legs look slimmer because of the shimmer in it. I'm not too sure. I'd have to research into that, but I don't really like anything. Personally, I don't like anything with taglines that say, if you put this lotion on your legs, you'll look slimmer, or if you put this on your belly, it'll make you look slimmer, because it's not evidently true. So I'll try it out nonetheless. It's still a large sample size and I'm still enthusiastic about it. I just don't specifically like the branding, I suppose, or what it's about. And that's what I'd say to you guys, honestly. I just don't like things that are going to make me feel like I need to wear that to look slimmer. Does that make sense? Okay, so we've got 2 more drawers left. Let's go for this one that's slightly smaller right here. Okay, so what do we have in this one? This one feels like another, okay, so it's another tube. This is the Multi-Miracle Glow Cleanser, Mask and Balm for Baby Soft Skin. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what I want. I want some skincare. The cleanser, apply to dry skin, massage in, wash off. Mask or face and body, SOS or balm, apply to cleanse skin, massage and leave on. So it's got loads of different purposes. I think I have heard about this and I've seen some reviews on it, so I'm really excited to try this, just because I'm not too sure. I think Charlotte Tilbury must do samples, but I haven't ever been in and been like, can I get some samples of X, Y and Z? But I just really want to try their skincare, so I'm excited that there's another skincare item in this box. Now the last remaining box is going to be this one right here. So let's see what we've got. Oh my god, this is what I wanted. So this is the Charlotte Magic Cream. Guys, If you know anything about Charlotte Tilbury, if you've heard about it, you know the hype around Charlotte's magic cream, and this is what I've wanted to get my hands on. How much do you get? So you get 15 ml, which I think is a decent amount, and yeah, it's a decent amount to get you through, depending on how much you're going to use. I don't think you should use that much. Could even get you for a month's worth, and I think that's absolutely incredible. So we've definitely saved the best till last. I didn't know that was going to happen, but I was hoping and creeping everything crossed that the magic cream would be in there, because I really wanted to try it for such a long time. I'm just really excited to try this. Instant turnaround moisturizer, and you guys know that I have dehydrated skin. It feels quite tight, so I'm hoping that this is really going to benefit my skin. Now guys, if you want to get your hands on your own Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Universe, I have one for you right here. This one probably has your name on it. If you want to get your hands on this, I am doing a giveaway for one of you lucky guys to win one. All you have to do is comment down below why you come to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you're here for. Let me know what kind of videos you enjoy, just so I get a little bit of an insight as to what you guys like. Now with every giveaway, there are rules and regulations. It's a little bit boring, but I'm going to leave it down below. You have to make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and you are following me on Instagram, which I'm going to leave the links for down below. You also have to be following C Tilbury Makeup on YouTube and following C Tilbury Makeup on Instagram to be able to win this incredible prize that is worth £150. Leave your comments down below and I will select someone at random to win. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of time, so I'm going to give you guys a week, and then I'll go fishing through the comments. I'll have a look at them and then I'll randomly just pick someone to win the prize. Sorry guys, because I'm pretty bad at this, I think I forgot to tell you guys how you'll find out who the winner is. I will announce the winner on Sunday the 18th of November on my Instagram story. So because you're going to be following me on Instagram anyway, I will slip in to your DMs and let you know that you've won, and then we'll sort out everything like address and where I'm going to send it to after that. So I hope you guys are super excited. I'm really excited to be doing this video. Let me know what you thought of it down below. Also, there are other makeup brands that I would really like to review their advent calendars, so let me know down below. If you like this one, give it a thumbs up and I will review other ones also, but of course I'm going to do other tutorials. Let me know if you just like this kind of video. It's pretty chill and it's pretty fun for me to do as well. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.